where nothing has gone right for Team India except for a few brilliant performances by some youngsters and also veteran Rahul Dravid. Dravid is playing his last career ODI today. You may think that things will change for Rahul Dravid, but the world disagrees. He had been away from one days for 2.5 years, having played his last ODI in the 2009 Champions Trophy before being picked for the current ODI tour.
Yeah, I guess in some ways it's a nice time to reflect back on what I think's been a pretty pleasing and satisfying one-day career in some ways. I wasn't playing one-day cricket for the last 2.5 years. I sort of had a bit of breaks in between test matches. I was playing the test games. So I don't think anything's really going to be different in my life from tomorrow onwards or day after onwards.
Dravid is one player who has shouldered responsibility whenever the team needed it. The test series is ample proof as he struck 3 centuries in the 4 tests. His ODI career has been equally brilliant as he is the only third Indian to have crossed the 10,000 run mark. Dravid is satisfied with his ODI career and holds no regrets.
You just recognize that the time has got to come at some stage when you've got to move on. I'm happy and I'm comfortable in the space that I'm in. I'm happy with where my career has progressed, how it's progressed in both forms of the game. In both forms of the games, I've had some highs, I've had some lows, and that's life. That's been cricket, and that's how it's taught me a lot about myself as a person and how to deal with a lot of things. So, absolutely no regrets.
He owes everything to hard work and the discipline he has followed in his entire career. Dravid says that he has enjoyed making the small sacrifices as he loves cricket.
I love the lifestyle of being a cricketer. I liked being a cricketer. I liked playing for my country. And so I never found these things as a sacrifice or something that was difficult for me. It's just sort of something that came naturally for me. And luckily, in some ways I feel I'm lucky. I enjoy hitting balls in the nets. I enjoy working hard. I enjoy practicing. So, sometimes that's something that I feel that, people ask me, what do you do when you finish cricket? And I sometimes feel I'll miss, just the intensity of the preparation. I'll miss the practices. I'll miss the... I think it's those kind of things that I probably might miss when I finish.
He may be out of action in the limited overs format, but Dravid will continue to contribute in the test. He may not be as popular as Sachin or as aggressive as Ganguly, but there's lots that the youth can learn from Rahul Dravid in a way they cannot from anyone else.